In this video, I'll show you how to validate an order in Rust using the FraudLabs Pro Rust SDK. First, open your command prompt. Let's create a new project named test-rust by using cargo.toml test-rust command. Then, navigate to the project folder. Now, go to the FraudLabs Pro Resources page. Search for Rust SDK and select this article. Scroll down to the Install SDK section and copy the dependency code. Go to the Rust project created just now. Open cargo.toml. Under the Dependencies section, paste the code and save the file. And go back to the article. Copy the sample code on how to validate an order. Go to the src folder in your project, then open main.rs. Replace the existing code with the sample code. You will need a FraudLabs Pro API key to perform the validation. Go to fraudlabspro.com. If you do not have an API key, you can sign up for one here. Let's log into your FraudLabs Pro merchant area. Copy your API key. Paste your API key here. This is an example IP address. You can change it if you want to test with another IP address. These are sample card info, billing and shipping info. You can edit them if you want. Once done, save the file. Go to the command prompt. Run cargo run. This is the validation result. You'll see IP geolocation details such as continent, country, and region. You can also check if the email address is free or disposable. By reviewing the FraudLabs Pro score and status, you will know whether the order is high risk or not. That's it. You've just learned how to validate an order using the FraudLabs Pro Rust SDK. For more details, visit fraudlabspro.com.